A clean-smelling bathroom can make a huge difference in the overall freshness of your home. From quick cleaning routines to natural deodorizing tricks, these simple practices can help keep your bathroom smelling fresh and inviting. Liquid soap is not just for washing your hands, it can also help keep your toilet smelling fresh. It helps eliminate bacteria and neutralize odors, leaving your bathroom clean and inviting. To keep your toilet smelling fresh with liquid soap, start by pouring a small amount of soap directly into the bowl and scrubbing with a toilet brush to remove dirt and bacteria. You can also use a damp cloth or sponge with liquid soap to wipe the seat, lid, flush handle, and surrounding surfaces. Regularly incorporating these steps into your cleaning routine will help prevent odors, reduce bacteria buildup, and leave your bathroom smelling clean and inviting. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful yet safe cleaning agent that can do wonders for maintaining a fresh-smelling toilet. To keep your toilet smelling fresh, you can use hydrogen peroxide both in the bowl and the tank. Start by spraying hydrogen peroxide directly into the toilet bowl and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to disinfect and break down stains. Then scrub the bowl with a toilet brush and flush. For added freshness and long-term odor control, you can also spray hydrogen peroxide into the toilet tank once a week, allowing it to mix with the water and naturally sanitize the bowl with each flush. This helps prevent bacterial buildup and keeps your toilet clean and smelling fresh. A toilet cleaner bottle is a convenient and effective tool for maintaining a fresh-smelling bathroom. To use, simply squeeze the cleaner along the inside of the bowl or tank, let it sit for a few minutes to disinfect and break down grime, then scrub with a toilet brush and flush. It also contains deodorizing agents, which help neutralize odors and leave your bathroom smelling clean and inviting. Using a toilet cleaner bottle regularly ensures that your toilet remains hygienic, fresh, and free from unpleasant smells. Toilet bowl tablets are an easy and convenient way to maintain a fresh-smelling toilet with minimal effort. These tablets are dropped directly into the toilet tank, where they slowly dissolve with each flush, releasing cleaning agents and deodorizing ingredients into the bowl. This helps prevent the buildup of stains, bacteria, and unpleasant odors while keeping the water in the bowl clean and fresh. With just a few easy habits, a clean-smelling toilet can become a stress-free part of your daily routine.